Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to recover locked Facebook account. If your Facebook account is locked, in this video we'll give you the solution how you can unlock your Facebook account. For this one you have to open any browser and then you have to log in with the same account which is locked. Type your email address and password, click on login tab. So once you will be logged into your account, you will see error, your account has been locked. You will see the date. You will see here in the bottom either learn more or get started option. You have to click on get started. If you see get started option, you have to click on it. Otherwise you have to click on this help tab which you can see at the top right side. Click on it and here you will see three options. First option, why has my account been locked? You have to click on it. Here you will see the reason, due to unusual activity your account has been locked. Here is written. Then you have to click on second option, how do I get back on Facebook? You have to click on it. Here you will see two options, confirm that this is your account. First of all you have to confirm that, and second thing you have to secure your account. Now you have to go back. Now you have to click on get started tab, click on next. Here you will see confirm that this is your account. You have to click on confirm your identity. Here you will see two options, add an email address. You have to click on next. Now you have to provide your email address. You have to use the same email address or you can use any email address. Click on confirm tab and then you will see option upload your ID. Here you will see passport, driving license, national ID card, so many options. You can select anyone and you have to attach this one. Click on next. Now you have to choose the file and then you have to click on submit tab and then you will see we have received your information. Thank you for uploading a photo of your ID. We usually review IDs within 24 hours. That means our information is successfully submitted to Facebook. Now you have to wait for 24 hours. Within this period, Facebook team will unlock your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.